Alright, now here is our transportation. The Moto train. The train moto. So there's a motorbike attached to a trolley. Voilà. On the tracks of the old railway. Lindo. ¿Necesitamos los cascos? Okay, motor's running. There's the road ahead. This is crazy. Alright, we're rocking and rolling. Oh, bloody hell. Have we derailed? I am ever so slightly worried, just a little bit. Oh, changing the things over. I hope their brakes are good. We're just taking ours off the track so that these guys can come past. Whoop whoop! So let's put the train back on the track. It's a bloody good thing it's not Harley powered, isn't it? There's going back on there. Hey. I've got a feeling that this sort of transportation might be slightly unique to Colombia. He's on the motorway, he's not on the motorway, he's on the railway. On the motorbike, what is on the railway? On the railway motorbike, a motor rail, a biker motor. Biker way. Biker rail, biker rail, biker rail. We are now arriving at San Cipriano station. There's a cock on the line. Get the cock off the line. I think we're here. Adios. I love the way this happens, man. Insane. Brilliant. Gracias. Alright, so we are motoring along on a 125 motorbike with its front wheel bolted onto a piece of wood with a car rolling on it, rolling along on a train track with the back wheel of the bike with a very ably bike on the back of this rail.